dear viewers. I am Dr. Paramjeet Singh. I am a practicing psychiatrist at Delhi Mind Clinic, Karol Bagh, New Delhi. Today I wanted to talk to all of you about a rampant, long-standing problem which has faced all of us of self-medication. Self-medication. What is self-medication? Self-medication is the practice of taking medicine or medicinal substances without adequate medical prescription, guidance and advice. It may be taken by self, it may be given by a relative, a friend or someone known to. It may be given by a person who is not adequately qualified enough to do so, maybe a chemist, a person out there. So yes, all of these form different types of self-medication. Self-medication would also mean that a prescription was given by a doctor some time back and we keep following it without adequate supervision, monitoring and changes to the medicational regime. So yes, all of these are self-medication. Why are we talking about it? This practice of self-medication can have side effects to your body. Medicines are not inert substances, they are chemically designed to change something in your body. A doctor prescribes a medication after due diligence and thought about different systems of your body. So yes, self-medication can have side effects. It can be useless. It may not never have been required in the first place. Many people are taking antibiotics without any adequate reason. गला खराब है antibiotics, पेट खराब है antibiotics. So yes, they may not be required, they may be of no use, they may cause actual harm. There's no doubt. There have been people who out of the practice of self-medication has landed up in the hospital with complications which have required intensive management from all of us. Fourth is dependence. Person may get hooked on, addicted to these medication. कुछ लोगों को लत भी पड़ जाती है. नींद की दवाई लेना शुरू किया, शुरू में किसी ने दे दिया कि मुझे भी दी गई थी, केमिस्ट से ले ली. आज पेशेंट्स डॉक्टर्स के पास आ रहे हैं कि जी डॉक्टर साहब अब ये लत छुड़वाने के लिए हमारा ट्रीटमेंट कर दीजिए. सो प्राइमरी प्रॉब्लम फॉर विच यू टुक अ सेल्फ मेडिकेशन may not be treated and it may cause a secondary problem of its own which may now require a medical management of its own. That is why we are talking of self-medication. Why do we do it? Sometimes we underestimate our health problems, the needs of our health. Both the underestimations can be reasonably harmful and must never be done. We overestimate the capability of the person who gives us these medication, an uncle, a friend, a relative, a chemist. They're obviously not qualified to give you medical advice, and health is too precious for you to take medical advice from people who may not be adequately qualified to do so. It's easy. Sitting at home, you pop in a pill, you feel relaxed. But the ease is not worth it. It's home based. The cost is obviously in favor of self-medication, but the cost to health is not favorable. It can cause long-term harm not just to your health but bodily systems which can be difficult to manage in the longer run. We have a trust in these people, a pseudo trust. They know, they have taken it themselves, their body responded to it, so will mine. All bodies are different, all systems are different, all illnesses are different. Without an adequate assessment by a doctor which medication your bodily system needs, how can you take it? This trust is self-injurious. So please do not succumb to this. When is self-medication okay? In the middle of the night, having a headache, or vomiting, gastritis. Yes, once in a while, a over-the-counter medication can be taken. But it should only be limited to once in a while, a single-use intake. And that too of the medications that are intended to be over-the-counter. In all other circumstances, please treat it as a blanket statement. It is not okay to self-medicate. It is a delirious practice which will land you into trouble, and being a doctor, a psychiatrist, I would not like any of you to land into such troubles. Whenever there is a health problem, please visit a specialist who will assess you, assess your needs, prescribe the right medication for you for the right period. In psychiatry, we see many cases of self-medication. Most common is use of sleeping pills. I was not able to sleep one night. I went to a chemist or a relative gave me that tablet. I took it. I found it nice. Now I have been taking it for so many years. Gradually over the time, my bodily system get dependent on it, which is unhealthy, delirious, and obviously now you need medical help to treat this problem of dependence. So one. Second is overuse of prescription. The doctor prescribe you medication for 15 days or a month. You have been going and refilling the prescription without the doctor's knowledge, doctor's advice, and doctor's modifications. You may be taking unnecessary medication for an unusually long time, which may have been stopped, reduced, modified by the doctor. Or he would have done some monitoring on your body to see what the medicine is doing to your body. So please visit a specialist. Do not overuse your prescription. Another is abuse of the prescription. Prescription was written for patient X. Patient Y has a similar problem. He goes to the chemist, gets it refilled. This also is a form of drug dependence. Patients get the sleeping pill prescription refilled by multiple chemists to increase the number of doses with them. But please realize it's an addiction, very much like alcohol, smoking, cannabis that we talk about. Taking medication in unsupervised protracted period is delirious, problematic. So please realize it. So all three forms, self-medication, overuse of prescription, abuse of prescription, must be taken care of and must be avoided at all costs. Please realize, even in this pandemic, healthcare professionals or doctors are available for you on online as well as offline platforms for the advice. So please do talk to or visit a specialist for the right advice. In terms of psychiatry, we are providing the help. Delhi Mind Clinic is open for your perusal and help, online and offline. So please feel free to contact us if you have such a problem or you feel a problem requires a help. Do not self-medicate and please follow medical ethics for yourselves and your own safety. Thank you so much. Signing off for today. Dr. Parabjit for you. Thank you.